Greg, thank you for joining us here today. We're really excited for this opportunity to have a discussion with you about your partnership with NEC. I'm Marc Hebner. I'm the Vice President over the channel for NEC in the Americas.
Sure, absolutely. And thanks, Marc. I'm Greg Folkerson with Folkerson Communications. We have been a longtime NEC dealer, pushing, I guess, about 25 years now. When it came time to selling a more sophisticated phone system to a more complicated customer, we leaned towards NEC. And it's always been that way. A couple of months ago, we became exclusive NEC.
What was it that made you take a look at UNIVERGE Blue and ultimately select UNIVERGE Blue as your UCaaS CCaaS offering?
So we've been selling UCaaS solutions now for probably 5 years. We have tried multiple vendors, and we were looking for a white label because we wanted to take back control in taking care of our customer. The current vendors that are out there selling UCaaS, a lot of them want you to sell it, they'll install it, they'll program it. Customers call them for support, and we just don't find that that works for us. Customer service is not gone anywhere. You got to take care of the customer after the fact. Why did we pick up NEC Blue Connect? Because it gave us that. It gave it back to us. Your partner program allows us to go out and sell it. We provision it, we program it, we port the numbers, we train the customer on how to use the phone system, and we bill the customer on a monthly basis. So if the customer has a problem, they call us and we take care of them. I mean, the systems we install, the training of the customers is better. We have less problems and it works. We have retrained our staff to be able to handle UCaaS. And so now it just fits into the rest of our organization and our policies and procedures and everything that we're doing and the way that we run the company.
We've been here in this market over 50 years with thousands of channel partners. So obviously going to market with a model that was going to ensure that our channel partners and our end customers were very much taken care of was paramount to us.
I think there's several benefits to selling NEC's cloud services. NEC Blue Connect has allowed us to expand our offerings with our customers, not only grow our existing offerings, but to expand into other areas. If you're going to stay in the industry, if you're going to survive and take care of your customers, you've got to look into other avenues of capabilities more than anything. As an early adopter, we were so early, I was holding sales, trying to get on board. So as soon as we signed up, I mean, we knocked down 3 or 4 customers immediately. Let's face it, we could go out there and sell anything. Our experience with some of these other providers just hasn't worked out for us. I can truly say that the NEC solution is working. One of the biggest portions that has added value to the customers with UNIVERGE Blue is the ease of use, the feature capabilities, especially when you get into the video conferencing, screen sharing, audio conferencing. In today's times, with what we're dealing with the pandemic, people are finding that use more than ever. We have a lot of customers with multiple locations that are small locations. Maybe they only have 4 or 5 phones at each location, but when you total up the organization, it's 60, 70 phones. All the other technology that they try to use is challenging financially or technically. UCaaS is so easy to go in there, and as long as they have their network set up correctly and they've got the proper internet, you're deploying 50, 60 phones that are tied together and working and allowing that customer to act as one as a company. We've sold a few contact center. I see our customers using it not only at home, but in the office. There's no doubt that it has benefited their company and made their working capabilities easier. It is definitely going to have a financial impact at some point in time, what your company's actually worth or what somebody will value it at compared to just having a premise base out there and not having any residuals whatsoever. One customer could bring a few different sources of residual income as you work through building it to the point where it's enough income that will help you run the company. And we've gone through that process. We're picking up more IT work, which has replaced some of the phone system, premise-based phone systems that we're not selling, but we're selling more UCaaS And so we're starting to see the benefit of that revenue come in. The margins are definitely better. They're probably double than what you would get from selling UCaaS through other sources. At the end of the day, it makes your company more valuable on down the road.